anything, what differentiates us from the other platforms is, again, we are very social. So connections is at the core of what we do. In terms of safety, we take a people-first approach.
CICT does not engage in, endorse, or participate in any marketing or promotional activity that involves unlawful activities, including illegal gambling operators, platforms, or websites. Instead, we encourage creators to collaborate only with brands and campaigns that comply with the law and uphold responsible content practices.
Scam is very fast. I mean, they use technology. You cannot identify what. And most of the education nowadays that a lot of companies and a lot of people are doing is, of course, the very basic, don't click the link, don't share your OTP, and a lot of stuff. What we do is different. And hopefully after this, we have what we call the contra-scam attitude. Hopefully after this, you will also share.